Hello everyone. Today we have an update on the strife between two video calling apps, Zoom and JioMeet. Zoom may take legal action against Reliance Jio's video conferencing service JioMeet, which was launched last week. Samir Raje, India head Zoom Communications, said that he was shocked at the resemblance between the two apps. He said, "We knew it was coming. It's fine. It's not the first time Zoom has faced competition. Our strength has been our products and technology, and our focus is on customers. What our competitors do is their strategy." Zoom had become one of the top downloaded apps during the lockdown as India started to work from home and even educational institutes logged in online. However, in April, the Ministry of Home Affairs had red flag concerns over data safety and security around Zoom. After the ban on Chinese apps by Indian government on the backdrop of Galvan clash on June 15, 2020, many homegrown apps jumped into the competition with skyrocketing downloads. JioMeet had 1 million downloads within a week of its launch. But the fact is that JioMeet had existed for a while, but Jio made it officially available to everyone on the night of 2nd July 2020. The app was an invite only service before that, but the company had announced during its fourth quarter earnings earlier that it would be launched soon. And soon after its launch, JioMeet has been trolled for its similarities with the Zoom. The resemblance between the two platforms is inescapable. JioMeet has rounded icons like Zoom and they are placed similarly. Similarities have been pointed out by the users in every section of the app, including the color scheme. JioMeet too allows 100 participants on a call, but for 24 hours at a stretch as compared to the 40 minutes limit for such calls by Zoom. Zoom's chief operating officer Aparna Bawa had said, "Zoom has experienced intense competition since it was established in 2011, and yet we have become the platform of choice for millions of participants around the world. We know what it takes to become the unified communications platform we are today, including the immense amount of work and force required to create our frictionless user experience, sophisticated security, and scalable architecture." The anti China sentiment left many Indians speculating if Zoom was a Chinese app. Rajesh said, "Zoom is a US company publicly traded on the Nasdaq, founded and headquartered in San Jose, California. We do not share data with any government. We have two data centers in India. People tend to forget that." He further said that Zoom's team was in touch with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Ministry of Home Affairs and asserted that "we are not sharing data, we are sharing technicalities of our platform, how it operates." On the possibility of the legal action against Reliance Jio, he said there was a lot of discussion going on internally and that his legal team was looking into it. He also assured that if there is any issue with children using the platform and with cybercrime going up to 600%, they work very closely with the law enforcement agencies to help bring offenders to book. That's all for today. Thank you.